That's all I'm asking from you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I had to do.
And ayon nga dito guys sa Wikipedia, okay, One Day at a Time is a popular country and western style Christian song written by Marijan Wilkin and Christopher Sun. Okay, and it has been recorded by over 200 artists and has reached number 1 in several territories. Hindi pa kasama dyan guys yung mga nag-cover, no? So that's a very popular yung song, and then napakarami na nag-cover kahit dito sa ating bansa, sa Pinas. Okay, and may single dito si Marilyn Selar, yan yung pakikinggan natin. And then also meron ding single si Gloria, alright, and si Christy Lane. So yung first 3 na may single dito guys, no, kasama na si number 1 is si Marilyn Selar, which is B-Side California, released noong May 1974. So panoorin natin guys, no, tingnan natin yung kanyang version.
I'm just a woman. Help me believe in what I could be and all that I am. Show me the stairway I have to climb. Lord, for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time.
Tapos sinundan naman siya ni Gloria noong August 1977, nag-release ng single. So pakinggan natin guys, no, yung version ni Gloria. Kung napapansin nyo guys, no, yung tempo parang medyo bumilis na siya. Okay, pakinggan natin.
I'm only human. I'm just a woman. Help me believe in what I could be and all that I am.
Alam niyo guys, nanginayang ko kasi music lover ako, lalo na yung mga old. Ang problema, wala silang video or live, no? Kaya nanginayang ako, gusto ko talaga makita yung mga mukha ng mga oldest na mga talagang sumikat, nagpasikat ng mga kanta na tulad nito. Tuloy natin.
Show me the stairway I have to climb. Lord, for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time.
Ang gaganda ng mga boses nila, no? Yung pagka-tipong pinakinggan mo parang hinihili-hili ka. Okay, so dito naman tayo guys, no, sa pangatlong nagkaroon din ng single. Walang iba kundi si Chris Lane. Alright, and then dito, na-release din ito noong 1979, 19 ng November. Okay, so pakinggan natin guys yung version naman ni Chris Lane.
One day at a time, sweet Jesus. I'm only human.
Yung instrumento, tsaka yung medyo hindi ko gusto yung yung datingan ng version niya, no? Medyo malungkot para sa akin.
I'm just a woman. Help me believe in what I could be and all that I am. Show me the stairway I have to climb. Lord, for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time.
Okay, so kayo na bahala guys mamili kung kaninong version yung gusto niyo, i-comment nyo dyan sa baba. Okay guys, no, para sa akin ito yung gusto kong version. Actually hindi siya nabanggit doon sa top 3, wala siya doon. Baka cover lang ito. So pakinggan natin guys, no, yung version naman ni Marian Bellina. Okay, ito yung gustong gusto ko kasi medyo jolly yung kanta. yung medyo masaya yung datingan. Alright, sige, pakinggan natin muna. Napansin niyo ba yung instrumento? Medyo masaya yung datingan. Kaya nagustuhan ko tong version na to.
I'm only human.
Tapos yung boses, maganda yung
I'm just a woman.
datingan sa akin. Yung
Help me believe in what I could be and all that I am.
yan yung
Show me the stairway I have to climb. Lord, for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time.
Okay, so yun guys, no, kaya nagustuhan ko tong version niya ni Miriam Belina. Kahit hindi siya nalagay doon sa top 3 na nag-single nito, napakaganda ng version niya para sa akin. So comment nyo na lang kung kaninong version yung nagustuhan ninyo. At syempre, bago tayo magtapos, isingit na rin natin yung ating very own na mga Pilipino na kumanta rin dito and sa bataan.
I'm only human. I'm just a woman. Help me believe in what I could be and know that I am. Show me the stairway I have to climb. Lord, for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. At a time, sweet Jesus.
Grabe! Tumayo yung balahibo ko sa mga batang ito.
That's all I'm asking from you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. Lord, help me today, show me the way, one day at a time.
Alright guys, comment nyo lang sa baba kung ano yung masasabi nyo sa kantang ito and kung kaninong version ang may pinakamaganda. Okay, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating munting tahanan, Bambihira TV. God bless.